Now to the latest in the case of the arrested activist. The Bombay High Court has today pulled up the Maharashtra police, questioning why they conducted a press conference when the matter is still pending in court. The Bombay High Court has also adjourned the petition demanding an NIA, that's National Investigating Agency, inquiry into the matter. This comes in the backdrop of the 5 activists having been arrested from across the country. These activists have been accused by the Maharashtra police of a conspiracy to try and overthrow the government and disrupt democracy. Cops claim they have enough evidence to prove the charges.
ये शेड्यूल के तहत ये जो मामला है सिर्फ एनआईए मतलब कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटीज एनआईए वही इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर सकती है। इसके लिए पिटीशन हमने फाइल की थी क्योंकि ये केस के अंदर पुणे के जो पुलिस है, लोकल जो पुलिस है, इस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कोर्ट में, पुणे के कोर्ट में एक एप्लीकेशन लगाई थी कि ये केस की प्रोसीडिंग इन कैमरा हो, और उसके एप्लीकेशन में ग्राउंड ये लिखा था कि जो इसके अंदर जो नाम है अगर वो सबको पता चल जाएंगे तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो नहीं पाएगा। इसके लिए कोर्ट ने उनका एप्लीकेशन अलाउ किया, इन कैमरा प्रोसीडिंग हुआ। उसके अंदर जो नाम लिए गए थे, इसका मतलब था कि जो आरोपी के नाम है वो डिस्क्लोज नहीं होना चाहिए। इसके बावजूद भी पुलिस ने एडीजे एडिशनल डायरेक्टर जनरल उन्होंने प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके सारे आरोपी के नाम डिस्क्लोज किए और सारा एविडेंस उन्होंने जो कलेक्शन किया था वो पूरा डिस्क्लोज किया मीडिया के सामने, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के सामने। और वो एक तरफ ऐसा बोलते हैं कि इनके नाम डिस्क्लोज नहीं होना चाहिए और बार बार प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस लेके वो सब आरोपी के नाम डिस्क्लोज कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्टिगेशन डिस्क्लोज कर रहे हैं। इसकी वजह से इन्वेस्टिगेशन को खराब हो रहा है। ये जो एविडेंस है उसको टैंपर होने की संभावना है। ये जो प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के बारे में कोर्ट ने कहा कि आप ऐसा कर नहीं सकते, व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एंड डिस्क्लोजिंग द नेम। इसके लिए कोर्ट ने ऐसा कहने के बाद स्टेट का यहाँ से कोई रिप्लाई आया नहीं है।
Let's go live now to my colleague Sandhya Gora, who joins us on the broadcast. Sandhya, so the Bombay High Court have some very tough questions post the Maharashtra police, asking them why on earth they did a press conference when the matter is actually sub judice, still being heard there by the court in Pune.
Yes, absolutely, Viren. In fact, Bombay High Court categorically said that when the matter is sub judice in not just the Pune court but in Supreme Court as well, what is the point of Maharashtra police taking a press conference and giving minute details to the media? That's that one question which Bombay High Court asked Maharashtra police. And if we talk about the petition, this petition was filed in Bombay High Court last week, and the petition is about that if something as serious as planning of assassination of Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, is happening, and specifically when the charges are when the case is filed under UAPA Acts, why exactly Pune police is investigating the matter and not NIA? And that's the petition which is filed in the Bombay High Court, seeking that the case should be transferred to NIA considering the gravity of the entire matter. Bombay High Court accepted the petition, and the first hearing of the matter was kept for today, and that was the most important point which Bombay High Court said, that why exactly did Maharashtra police take a press conference.
Right, stay with us. Now, let's go across to Mr. A.L. Banerjee, former top cop, former DGP of Uttar Pradesh, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Banerjee, thank you so much for your time this afternoon. The Bombay High Court had some very tough words for the Maharashtra police. In terms of precedent, is it unprecedented for a police force, in a case as serious as this, to be actually going to the media doing a press conference?
See, the point is that in this particular case, which was being the UAPA, not think, I personally, if I was leading the court, I would not have gone to the press with all these details. I would have said, if in any case, if I would have gone in front of the press, I would have told them that we have sufficient evidence to connect all these things, and moreover, this will come out during the trial. To specify what exactly we had in our hand, or to tell the press how we have gone about it, probably is not a very correct thing. To my mind, it is not correct. And in fact, if the High Court has pulled them up for this particular matter, they have done a very correct thing.
So, Mr. Banerjee, taking your point a little further, in certain sensitive cases, it's important, of course, that the police force, because they're investigating the case, also proceed with a certain amount of caution, you think?
You see, we'll have to distinguish between sensitive cases and non-sensitive cases. I'll quote an example. Like, say, for example, in Delhi, long back, there was a tandoor murder case, if you remember. A lady was found burning in a tandoor. The dead body was recovered, and it was done by somebody who was very important, very influential. He was subsequently arrested, and he is now in jail. Now, Now, in that kind of a matter, it was sensitive, no doubt, but it was also very popular because it had happened in Delhi and everybody wanted to know what was happening. And it was nothing which could impair, or it was not under TADA or POTA or the UAPA, which imperiled the national defense or national security. So certain details were given out by the police at that particular time to keep the press sufficiently informed that the police was doing a correct job. Now, in this particular matter, where the Supreme Court was seized of the thing, I do not think, because the Supreme Court was seized of the thing, the Pune police should have gone ahead and done what they did. They shouldn't have given out those details. They should have just straightforward said that we have ample, sufficient and credible evidence to pin and fetch these people. That's all.
Right. Mr. El Banerjee, thank you so much for your time this afternoon, sharing with us your thoughts on the High Court order then in Maharashtra. The High Court pulling up the Maharashtra police, whose ADG, in fact, did a press conference reading contents of a letter they say was used as a threat to the Prime Minister and a threat to try and overthrow democracy in the country. Thanks for joining us.